Okay, next one, let's look at example 3. The displacement of y of a particle undergoing linear simple harmonic motion is given by an equation y is equal to 5 sine 20 pi t, where this shouldn't be x, this one should be y. Okay, where y and t are measured in cm and second respectively. What is the maximum speed of the particle can be achieved? Determine the magnitude of velocity and acceleration when the particle is 3 cm from the equilibrium position. And last one, determine the speed when the particle at time 0 second. Okay, so we are given the equation here, di mana equation ni adalah equation untuk displacement. So y represent displacement. Now our aim is we want to find what is the maximum speed. Okay, we want to find what is maximum speed. Okay, before that, daripada expression yang kita dibagi ni, kita boleh dapatkan the value for amplitude is this one, and this one is the value for omega. Okay, so remember the unit is in cm and second. Okay, so this one we want to find what is the maximum value of the speed. Okay, before that, in your notes, okay, dalam nota kamu dekat sini, kita ada equation untuk velocity, acceleration, kinetic energy, potential energy. Okay, but I didn't show the derivation of the value of the formula untuk velocity. Okay, so di mana actually untuk cari velocity, kita kena differentiate the y equation. Okay, equation untuk displacement lah, di mana equation untuk displacement is this one, and then we need to differentiate this one in order to find the v. Di mana kita actually dapat this one, but this one is to show the relationship only. Okay, the relationship between v and y. Tapi untuk dapatkan equation untuk v saja, kita kena differentiate. So this one please write down in your notes. Okay, di mana we want to find v, right? So kita kena differentiate y. So salin dahulu this whole thing in your notes, and then I will show you how to derive the equation untuk v dan juga untuk acceleration. Okay, so since kita tahu, in order to find v, we need to differentiate dy over dt. Di mana d over dt, y itu adalah, y actually adalah a sin omega t, right? So kita differentiate macam biasalah, di mana we differentiate the a. So just anggap a adalah just a number. So basically what we want is we darabkan a ni dengan omega. So kita akan dapat omega, a omega, and then we differentiate the sign. Di mana sin kita differentiate akan dapat cos. And then the rest kita just salin semula. So wt just salin semula lah. So kita dapat a new equation. Okay, a new equation of v, of velocity. But untuk soalan ni, soalan minta maximum value. So at maximum, this one always ingatlah, at maximum, cos wt will always be equal to 1. So bermaksud this one equal to 1. So maximum speed is now equal to a omega. So masukkan saja apa value a tadi kita dapat daripada equation. A adalah 5 dan omega adalah 20 pi. So you masukkanlah a 5, omega is 20 pi. So you will get the maximum value 314.16, since this one in centimeter. So kamu tulislah centimeter per second. Okay, next one, we want to find what is the magnitude of the velocity and acceleration when the particle is 3 cm from the equilibrium point. So next one, we want to find what is V and what is A when Y is equal to 3 cm. Okay, so this time kita tidak boleh. Okay, kita tidak boleh gunakan equation yang dekat sini lah, because we are given a condition di mana displacement dia sama dengan Y. So instead of using this equation, kita gunakan, let's look at your notes again. Okay, kita gunakan equation this one, di mana dekat sini kita ada the relationship between V and Y. So we can substitute the value for Y here in order to find the value for V. So kita masukkan. Okay, formula tadi V is equal to plus minus omega A square minus Y square. Let me double check, omega or omega square. Okay, omega. So here is omega only. So masukkan je lah value plus minus omega tadi kita dapat from the equation 20 pi. And then masukkan value A. Value A is 5 cm minus Y is 3 cm yang dia mahu tu lah. So dapat plus minus 251.33 cm per second. Okay, so since soalan minta magnitude, sahaja, so you can just ignore this plus minus lah. So kita punya final answer is just 251.33 cm per second. Okay, next one, we want to find acceleration pula. So next one, want to find acceleration. So sama juga kita gunakan the formula. Where is the formula again? Okay, kita gunakan formula di mana acceleration adalah sama dengan negative omega square Y. So ni adalah equation untuk menunjukkan relationship between between acceleration and displacement. Okay, so we want to find acceleration tadi, negative omega square Y. Masukkan sahaja. This one memang dia punya formula ada negative, so you cannot ignore. So guna sajalah, memang ni adalah formulanya. So masukkan 20 pi square times with 3 cm. So kita akan dapat negative 11843.52 cm per second square. Okay, so this one please double check my answer. Mana tahu ada yang salah. So kalau salah, let me know. Kalau salah, dan nanti Miss akan betulkan. Okay, last one. Last one, we want to determine the speed of the particle at time is equal to 0 second. So we want to find speed, which is kita gunakan formula ni lah tadi. So the formula to find speed, V sama dengan A omega cos omega t. And then kita substitute 0 second to here. So kita substitute VA tadi, A kita dapat berapa again? So we want to substitute 0 second, right? So V kita dapat 5 omega, sorry bukan VA, A kita dapat 5 omega, kita dapat 20 pi, and then cos omega 20 pi, and then masukkan 0. So this one tekan calculator, you will get 314.16 cm per second.